Rach, I'm Hallie and I used to work with you all at the show. Now I'm based in LA. I'm a host and a producer for Entertainment Tonight. And when I'm not busy reporting on the latest celeb news, you can find me entertaining my friends and family at home. And I've become a little famous around here for my boards. I've made cheese boards, Valentine's Day board, and I even had a hot second in my life where I was a vegan, so I made a vegan board. You name it, I've made it, and what I'm really good at is a sweets board. Today I'm gonna make a sweets board that you can serve any day of the year, complete with black and white cookies, because you're a native New Yorker, Rach, and this is a little nod to you. Hot tip number 1, use a tray or a platter that has a lip. This way you can really stack up those goodies, make it look super full, and you don't have to worry about any of it flowing over the side. And it also makes it easier to wrap up and travel with if you're taking it to a party. Also, snack along the way. Makes it so fun. Number 2, use small bowls to place any of the tiny candies in and then work your way from the outside of the tray in. Number 3, color and variety are key, people. Don't be afraid to rearrange it if you aren't feeling the way it looks. And that is it. It's so simple, it's so easy. Have a super sweet day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.